Low testosterone isn't just about low libido. It's about energy, strength, mood, sleep, focus, and even long-term heart and bone health. If I've been feeling more tired than usual, noticing muscle loss, stubborn belly fat, or just don't feel like my sharp, driven self, my testosterone might be part of the problem. But what if there were a simple, delicious way to support healthy testosterone production, right from my kitchen? Today, on Live Healthy Every Day, I'm blending up a testosterone-boosting smoothie packed with science-backed ingredients to help men naturally restore vitality and take control of their health, one sip at a time. Let's break down exactly why each ingredient is in this smoothie and how it can help. Spinach, 1 cup. Forget boring salads. Spinach is a powerhouse of magnesium, a mineral critical for testosterone production. In fact, studies show that men who supplement with magnesium for just 4 weeks see an increase in both free and total testosterone. It also contains nitrates, which support better blood flow, a bonus for performance at the gym and in the bedroom. Banana, 1 medium. Bananas are high in bromelain, an enzyme that has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Plus, they provide fast-acting carbohydrates to fuel my morning, pre-workout, or post-workout recovery. The vitamin B6 in bananas also helps the body produce serotonin and dopamine, improving mood and reducing stress. A known testosterone killer. Frozen blueberries, half a cup. These tiny berries are rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress. Oxidative damage in the testes can suppress testosterone output. Blueberries also help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect my heart, key components of any healthy male hormone profile. Almond butter, 1 tablespoon. I want healthy fats, because fats help synthesize testosterone. Almond butter provides monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and a touch of protein. It also gives my smoothie a creamy texture and long-lasting satiety, helping me curb cravings and manage my weight. Pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon. Tiny, yes, but powerful. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, one of the most important minerals for testosterone production. Low zinc equals low testosterone. They also provide magnesium and omega-3s, making them a triple threat ingredient for male hormone health. Raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon. Not cocoa, raw cacao. It's loaded with antioxidants, magnesium, and flavonoids that support circulation and testosterone. It gives my smoothie a delicious chocolatey depth while feeding my hormones. Maca root powder, 1 teaspoon. This ancient Peruvian root is known for its ability to boost libido, improve energy, and support hormone balance. It doesn't directly raise testosterone, but it stimulates the endocrine system and improves symptoms related to low T. Many men report improved mood, stamina, and vitality after adding maca to their daily routine. Unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup. A low-calorie, dairy-free base that won't disrupt hormones like conventional dairy sometimes can. Almond milk blends smoothly with the other ingredients and keeps the recipe plant-based and clean. Optional, collagen or whey protein, 1 scoop. Protein is essential for muscle repair and testosterone function. Add a scoop of clean protein to fuel muscle growth and recovery. If I'm over 40, collagen also supports joint and skin health while keeping testosterone production pathways healthy. So, how do I put it all together? Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. 1 cup spinach. 1 medium banana. Half a cup frozen blueberries. 1 tablespoon almond butter. 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. 1 teaspoon maca root powder. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Optional, 1 scoop protein powder, collagen or whey. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until creamy and smooth. That's it. Drink up, fuel your body, and start taking back your energy, strength, and vitality. One delicious smoothie at a time. When it comes to testosterone-boosting smoothies, the base ingredients like spinach, banana, and almond milk are solid. But if you're ready to level up, there are several lesser-known high-impact superfoods you can add to amplify testosterone production, improve energy, and build muscle more effectively. These ingredients don't just complement your smoothie, they optimize it. Let's kick it off with ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is one of the most well-studied adaptogens in the world. It lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, which competes with testosterone. In men with low testosterone, ashwagandha supplementation has shown up to a 17% increase in T levels, along with better strength and energy. Add half a teaspoon to your smoothie daily. Next up, Brazil nuts. These aren't just tasty, they're loaded with selenium. Just 2 Brazil nuts per day can meet your full selenium requirement. Selenium plays a direct role in testosterone synthesis and healthy sperm production. Crush a couple and blend into your smoothie for a creamy texture and hormone-boosting edge. Now, cordyceps mushroom extract. Cordyceps boosts ATP production, enhancing endurance and stamina. It also improves libido and testosterone by supporting better oxygen utilization and reducing fatigue. Use a high-quality extract, about 1 teaspoon in powder form. It blends seamlessly with cacao and banana flavors. Fourth on the list, beetroot powder. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body, increasing blood flow and improving physical performance. Better circulation enhances oxygen delivery to muscles and yes, even to reproductive organs. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder for a vibrant color and a testosterone-friendly nitric oxide boost. Don't forget fenugreek seed powder. Fenugreek contains compounds called furanolinic saponins that may increase testosterone by inhibiting enzymes that convert it to estrogen. Several studies show that 600 milligrams of fenugreek daily enhances libido, energy, and strength. Add half a teaspoon of powder or use a concentrated extract. Pomegranate juice, just a splash instead of water. This fruit isn't just heart healthy, it's a known testosterone enhancer. Drinking pomegranate juice daily has been shown to increase salivary testosterone levels by up to 24% in just 2 weeks. Use a splash, about 1 to 2 ounces, in place of water or almond milk in your smoothie. And finally, black pepper. Strange as it sounds, adding a pinch of black pepper can increase the absorption of key nutrients like curcumin, selenium, and CoQ10. It enhances the bioavailability of many testosterone-supporting compounds in your smoothie. Here's a sample supercharged smoothie recipe. Blend 1 cup spinach, half a banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon raw cacao, 1 teaspoon maca, 1 teaspoon cordyceps powder, 2 Brazil nuts, half a teaspoon fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon beetroot powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 to 2 ounces pomegranate juice, and a pinch of black pepper. This upgraded version not only boosts testosterone but also supports adrenal health, fertility, and stamina, all from a single glass. So why does it work synergistically? These ingredients target different testosterone pathways. Some reduce stress like ashwagandha and maca. Others boost nutrient density like Brazil nuts and beetroot. Some improve circulation and absorption, think pomegranate and black pepper, and others block testosterone-destroying enzymes like fenugreek. The goal is to create a hormonal environment where your body wants to produce and preserve testosterone naturally. Combine these ingredients consistently, and you'll begin to notice changes in energy, mood, muscle tone, and even libido within weeks. Creating a testosterone-boosting smoothie is only half the equation. The other half, when and how you use it, and what habits you stack around it. Let's talk about the most effective daily routine that enhances testosterone production naturally and sustainably. Morning fasted movement plus testosterone smoothie. Start the day with light movement. Walk, stretch, or do mobility drills. Fasting in the morning keeps insulin low and boosts growth hormone. Once you've moved for 15-30 minutes, it's time for your smoothie. This is the perfect time to feed your body the nutrients it craves after fasting, without spiking insulin too hard. Mid-morning sun exposure. Your body converts sunlight into vitamin D, which is actually a hormone. Low vitamin D is directly linked to low testosterone. Spend 15-20 minutes outside, shirt off if possible. If you live in a cloudy region, a D3 supplement can be added to your smoothie. Afternoon strength training or HIIT. Resistance training is one of the most effective ways to increase testosterone. Focus on compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. Limit cardio to short, intense bursts. HIIT. Avoid long, steady-state cardio which can increase cortisol. Evening stress management plus good sleep. Cortisol crushes testosterone. Use tools like deep breathing, journaling, or stretching to wind down. Then sleep. This is when your body makes the most testosterone. Keep your room cool, dark, and screen-free before bed. 7 to 8 hours is the sweet spot. Testosterone-draining habits to avoid. Even the best smoothie won't help if these habits are killing your hormones. Poor sleep, less than 6 hours. Chronic stress. High sugar or processed foods. Alcohol overuse. Plastics, from food containers or water bottles. Sedentary lifestyle. Eliminating these while adding your smoothie and movement is like removing the brake and stepping on the gas at the same time. The 30-day testosterone reset. Here's a sample plan for men looking to reclaim their energy and drive. Days 1-10, daily smoothie plus walk plus sun. Days 11-20, add strength training 3 times a week. days 21-30. Add sleep tracking and stress management. After 30 days, most men report better energy, improved sex drive, deeper sleep, more strength, and less belly fat. Smoothie isn't just a drink, it's a daily ritual. Testosterone isn't boosted overnight, it's built by stacking wins each day. And your smoothie? That's the anchor habit. It's delicious, it's consistent, and it's powerful. If you're serious about reclaiming your strength, clarity, and confidence, it starts here with one glass, one daily commitment, and 1 month that changes everything. If this video inspired you, take a moment to like it, subscribe to Live Healthy every day, and leave a comment below. What's your go-to smoothie booster? What result do you want to see in the next 30 days? I read every comment, and I'm building a tribe of men committed to natural strength, energy, and vitality. Let's grow together.